Hello guys, and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset Shopify theme code. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to edit your Shopify store code, you will need first to go to online store here in the menu. After clicking on it, here we will find themes. Make sure you are on themes, and after that, we will need to start editing the code. So basically all you need to do is to go to this 3 points icon here. We click on it and from here we will find the edit code. So whatever your theme was, you need just to click on edit code and after that we will start seeing all the code files. So for each file, it will have some version control name. That means that all your versions are stored here. So basically if you want to restore or to reset the theme.liquid, all you need to do is to go to theme.liquid. After that, we will need to go to the versions, which is here. As you can see, recent changes, and from here we can find either the current changes or the original one, which was the first version. You can do that for all the files. So basically, if we go to the article.json and we do some changes, for example, here we add in change, then we save it. It will start uh, creating another version. So basically, to reset it, you need just to choose the older version, and you can do that for any changes. So whenever you save some changes, it will create a new version. Version 2, we save, and we will see that another version will be created. So as you can see, there is the current, the 2, and the original one, which was the first version. You choose it and you will have your theme that will be restored. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.